This 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 35F is a Class A RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 7, leveling jacks, external shower, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, DVD player, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2016 Winnebago Vista LX 35F is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.